have made the purchase from Gumroad app, you don't need to go to any other section. You can just simply go to the library or wherever your product is. In my case, I added the planner to the library so I can easily locate it. Once you see the planner product, just select the link, and here you will see a button which says access your academic planner. Click the button link, and here it opens up the Notion template for you. Now, as you can see, if I try to edit information right now, I am not able to do it because I am not logged in to a Notion account. All you have to do is sign up or log into a Notion account. Once you do that, you should be able to edit the planner.